What's up YouTube, Like and Strive here, and yeah, we're gonna check out this this great app again, Octopus. I didn't make a video regarding, let's see, ad, so there we go. Didn't make a video regarding Octopus and the PlayStation controller with this clip, so that's actually my, this is gonna be my third video about the PlayStation controller and the Drift Racer. So now that we've added a game, and it also sees a wireless controller connected, we need to see how we do this again. We do this, we do allow, and we're gonna try and use this. That's fine. We're gonna try that again. So it's launching. Don't know why it needs GPS, but whatever. So it launches the game. The car is ready, and now I have this this screen right here. So now what we need to do is press the octopus. Gonna do plus key. Gonna grab this, go over here all the way to the top. Right trigger. It says RB, but it's right trigger. Now we're gonna go to another key. Brakes are gonna be no. Oh my god, it's very annoying to hold the camera and use another key value. We're gonna press the L2 button, which is gonna be LB. It's gonna be up there. That's fine. We can move this one way up here for the gas. And then we want another key, which is gonna be circle. And we can move that towards here because this is going to be the clutch kick or the clutch kick or the handbrake. Then we want we're going to use the D-pad. I'm going to press down. Oh, we can't do that. Oh wait, I'm going to have to do a key then. Key, press the down button. Yep, we're gonna grab that, we're gonna put it on the reverse, and then we're gonna put the start stop. We're gonna do that with another key. Press key, press the start button this time. Is that gonna work? No, doesn't want to do the start button. So we might as well press the triangle. No, normally triangles actually reverse, right? Which is actually X is what it says right now. It's really weird though. Don't know why it does that, but we can put it there. Put this one here. And now we're gonna use the light button, which is what we're gonna do for the lights. We're gonna do a key again. I'm gonna put it on the lights. And we're gonna do the up arrow. The up arrow is gonna be the lights. And that should be it. We press the V button. Oh, stupid. Now it should, technically it should work. So if I press the down button, it starts. Yep, and it's already driving. So here we go. We got the controller like this. It's wireless. Bluetooth is doing both the car and the controller. If I press the down button, there you go. It starts. Press it again, it stops. So I need to bring the cards over there. Oh, I need to go back to the menu, of course. I can press the down button again to say play. There we go. Just gonna gently bring it back. Okay. Gonna put it in start mode over here. But yeah, I really like the feeling of the circle button for a handbrake. It's really quick. I can do that, of course, but I don't know. I always liked having a controller in my hands. So yeah, as you can see, left trigger, braking really works. I can still do this. But I can also do the up button. And yeah, you can't see it right now. It's too light over there. But I'll grab another Drift Racer in a couple of seconds. A normal one with the light so you can see that that works. But yeah, all I have to do is this and this. Don't know what settings I have, but let's just see if we can do a little lap. Handbrake. Yeah, buddy. Pretty textbook. Oh, okay. Still a little bit of wall tap then. Let's just say that. Oh, we're sliding already. There we go. But yeah, for me, this works really well. I mean, oh, still, the bridge is still a prototype. But yeah, it works really well. It's just getting used to everything, which is the other part. Whoa! Ah, the plates that I use are from a PC, so I think they're a little bit too thick. I don't have the Sturmkind bridge, so I tried to make something myself. Really need to get that one. But yeah, you can see it's just a little bit, the transition is not so nice. But yeah, other than that, everything is just amazing. I mean, I really like playing with the controller. I still like playing with the phone itself, but this is a nice extra way to do it if you want. Whoa! Okay, that was close. Press triangle button. Go in reverse. Press the brakes again. Triangle button again. And we're back in forward motion. I love these tracks though. These tracks are amazing. Yeah, buddy. Oh. Oh. And jump. So yeah, the only real thing that I have a problem with is that you have to place the buttons, because these are sliders. So if you go low, you don't go that fast. So actually when I'm doing this the whole time, it goes full speed. And I really like that because it already makes a lot of motion, so it goes faster. But yeah, just like you have to do in real life with drifting, you have to play with the gas anyway, so that's fine. Yeah. Whoop. Okay, so we got a another drift racer, the blue V12. And I'm gonna see if I can sit a little bit more like this. Start her up. Put on the lights. There you go. You can see it clearly happening right now. I might as well just do this. Pressing the up button. Pressing the up button. Pressing the L2. With or without the lights on. Everything seems to work. Which is nice because I like that. Okay, so here we go. Gently into the bridge. So let's try that again. We've got a speaker here and we're going to start her up. Now that sounds really nice. Turn the lights on. good. It works really well. So actually what I want to do right now is play the sound of my people again, but this time with the turbo. We are ready to full send. Ah, man. Those curtains are really screwing me up. Big thanks to Sturmkind.com and their drift racers for making everything possible, including the tracks and the drift racers themselves. And the app is still amazing. I love the tuning. I love everything going on with the app, the way the interfaces are working, and the Gymkhana points with all the gaming targets and everything. It's amazing. If you haven't checked them out, you need to check them out right now. www.sturmkind.com. STURMKIND.com. Sturmkind. Thanks for watching.